Kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya ban ipdang sengapai pi baro syakatop kubor mentaga janmit. Shwa ban pai shiki kubor ki babnya ngini pechwa yakimat bakongsan. Syak penkup buram umudi daka kusnam bahetam kagayana the Order of Excellence. Beli Menteri Rangba Gejala yaka Tri Hills Festival Hasilong. IT Kanehu yaka Kaipot Internal Committee Syakatanat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Pedeng. Bat Kutno Kakala Basau Jong Shillong Literary Festival. Kikubor Kibabania. Menteri Rangba Duk Kari Narendra Modi hendakasngi ulasya penkup buram daka kusnam bahetam kari kayana the Order of Excellence. Halor gajing yu ichngai jong kum uriu sain perthai. Gajing job yaki hok jong kiri ki berang yaksait hakayo kakot hakakardan jong keperthai. Gajing syakri hok syaki imlang salang jong keperthai bat na kabenta gajing kular jong bat penklan yaki jingya day hapadeng kari India bat kayana. Dr. Muhammad Irfan Ali, Presiden Gagayana, ula penkup buram dakani ke kusnam, Sya Menteri Rangba Du, Narendra Modi, ha gajingalang kabalalong ha State House jong Gagayana. Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad K. Sangma hendakasngi ula play yaka Tri Hills Festivals ba arsngi ha usoso tham auditorium. Ha ba ajing pren ha gajingalang Menteri Rangba ula bancur halor gajing dan kam ban kan mau bat penek pensa ya ki tenrai lariti bat kentu ya ki samla ban penrung ya kini ki nongrim na kabenta ki pateng banwan. Hakani ke Chingalang la pelait ru ya ka web portal jong ka Arts and Craft Village bat la pen benaru ya ki kusnam ai jing itu syaki nong yo pediang haki kerdan baper. Kum shibenta jong ke Chingalang ple ka ken hun ki laingut ki nong tem na Wales kan saya shibenta ban pensngau ya ki jing rai KHASI ha ka jing tem harm ka ban kle lang ru ya ki rukom babun jong ka lariti.
The Jan Jatiya Gaurav Divas, marking the Tri Hills Ensemble Festival and this entire program that we are having to celebrate the tribes of our state and more importantly the culture of our society and of our people.
Ka Internal Committee balatau the Vice Chancellor in charge Kanehu Nirmalendu Saha ula IT ya ka Kaipot Syakatanat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Pedeng ha kesngi balang. Haba ajing kren syakilat patai kubor Profesor Saha ula kiar ban batai ki jingtip babenia jong ka Kaipot ka ba 4 la ban pensngau pai ba. Ula ongru ba 4 la ban a ya ka tarik ka batikena bat shen arngut ki dukhat jong ka committee ken sawan ban khmi ya kani ka skul ba.
See, I was given a task by the ministry, to provide some documents relevant to their grievances and all. So, with the help of my officers and few members from the teaching community, I could gather all the informations and that I could submit today. That please don't ask me, these are highly confidential. Even ministry also has asked me not to disclose anything. You will come to know in due course of time. So let it remain confidential because otherwise this inquiry may be affected.
Kakala basau jong ke Shillong Literary Festival kabaju penlong man la usnem kalakut no henin kasngi bat kani ka tamasa kan pensa kan mau shikat day yakin nong wan shimbenta haki babun kiliang kum kalariti kathok katar bat kiwe harengkat kecinggawan poi ki pajba ki bala chankot chaka khatsan hajar ngut haki laisngi ka tamasa kala sakhi ya kecingya shimbenta shirhem na kaliang ki pajba Haba ai jingkren ha gajing alang kum ukongsan Menteri Ketenat kam jengok kai perthei uba polling do ulanyau yakani kum katamasa ka basai so tam bat pensngau ya ka benta jongka ha ka ban kentiu iki kam jengok kai bat clarity. Ha gajing alang penha perda lawan banya danlang da unong syakhot ngau bha syagajela unong ra tin sim ka Turkey ufirat sunal.
About the dreams, struggles and triumphs of different generations. It allows us to hear voices that have been marginalized or silenced in official histories.
Together, let us build brand Meghalaya, a brand which has already earned a space, the most sought after tourist destination in 2025.
Kashilong Literary Festival Hanan Pulong kalakut no henen kesngi kalayok buram kum kawei na kita masa ba itanat tam hakaliang kecing pen wandur bat kecing tebet hakaliang ki kamshna ya kecing pen itanat kadi di news Meghalaya kalayok banyak keren bat kasamla ar hagani lamari kaba haringkat uparalok bayatrelang bat ka usamla Edi Bosku Shadap kilawan ra ikecing itanat bakerpang jongkani ketamasa lengba gejing yok mensim na ki kam circus kasamla lamari kala pendan kam ya arteli ki cycle barim banwan ra ya kecing kring ha kecing pen beringia ba itanat kitiar bala pen itanat ki kentop ya kitiar bala pendan kambiang kum ki kot khubor na ka benta kasat jangkaran san ba hakmat hakajuk kapor kala donru kalenti yai kchan haringkat kilo balashna pen wandur da ukan phat bat ki boarding LED kabala pen pau ya kanam jong Shillong kum ka abode of clouds.
Actually, in our workshop, there are lots of bit and pieces of these PVC boats and scrap irons, and then with the help of two old bicycles with the chains and bearings, we did the welding, drilling works, and we come up with this innovative piece. This is the idea from my whole team, sir. It's not only from me myself. That our teamwork, we came up with this idea.
Kahinyau Trap Youth Council HYC Henekasni kilaya kendu Yakibor District ka East KHASI Hills ban banjur halor kecingdan kam ban lum cingtep hakabayadei bat ki poi wer na Manipur. U President ka HYC ba Roy Kupar Sendrem ulaong ba kalong kabadan kam ban lum yaki cingtep ki babiang chong ki poi wer ban khanglat yaki tu ki batmu ban le kam sniu bat ban pendan kam yaki Shillong bat kejela kum kacakari tengen jongki. Ka HYC kala kerpat ru Yakibor District banya trailang bat ki dor bar shnong lem bat ki thanat ban pit ngor ban penrung karteng yaki poi wir ki bawan chaga jela hapdeng gajing akan at ka badang beteng menta ha Manipur.
Ingi bangin ong in the district administration and police department baki deben pikir ya karung kami jo kini gibriu bayo bakini gibriu ki bawan na kini gi bayo bakini gibriu ki bawan na kini gi jela ho kila banwan ha kadur jong kinong pedwer ndegi la pat ban sim kabu ya kani ka cakak ya ni ka lat ka bangingi ai ban chong bansa di kumba kalong menta na kaliang jo ka district administration kimdon ya kum kata record ban ong ba na kini gi lais patam kidai ginong hydrox na kimdai ginong hydrox ngi ong ba ngidai benong pikir pa yo ba kita ki beri badon benta ka kam hydrox yo kisim kabu ya kini.
Menteri Sarkar Jala uba kermen chela ulapan pau ya kecing kermen halor kecing ti deuyong katkum gajuk start sayan kabansa sedang shen ha kejela. Habaya day bat kecing penslam ula ong ba kecing don jing em hapok kendau jongki caka shimet menta kila day jongki terai jaka haringkat kecing tukelar jongka Sarkar. Haba keli halor kecing perking yaki SOP kabakam no syaki terai par bahe uba shela ula aijing mud baka Sarkar kala ban kerpat ya ka Sarkar pedeng ban wanra cingkala haki kendon lada don kam. Nalor kani ka Sarkar Jala kara perkhat banyat syakmat bat ka QR code based tracking system na ka benta ka Indian made foreign liquor IMFL ka baladi hapo ka Jala bat ka batmu ban penbha ha kaliang ka khuit ka suba bat ka ching pet ngor.
If we cannot follow these rules, then we'll ask the state, the government, to modify it. I believe even the central will accept that. Unless we start something, how do we know that whether we can do it or not? So as of now, I don't know how much, we cannot say. But we expect that it will help, it will bring benefits, and it will be easy for us to have this tracking system. If everything will be in our fingertips, we'll have a dashboard where we can monitor each and every movement of our consignment. That is our expectation.
Ka College of Agriculture Kadam Kulai, Central Agriculture University Impal, Haringkat ka jingas no ktilang bat ka Society for Biotic and Environmental Research Tripura. Henne ka sngi kala play ya kakala basaw chong ka Biotic Science Congress and International Conference. Haba ai jingkren kum ukongsan u Dr. Kotam Saha, Vice Chancellor ka BCKV, ula banjur halor ka jingper ha ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha ka than chatay lamingi. Kani ka program ba arsngi halor kapang Climate Smart Farming, Adoption, Impacts and Implications for Sustainable Development. Katmu ban penroy ya kiching mud ki bathamai ki ban ai jing mentoy ya ka imlang sa alang jong ki start sayan bat ki nongrep ha ka we ka liang ka ban kentiu ya kiching mi ha ka liang karep karyang.
Nanoparticles are cryopreserved.
My dear friends, this is not climate change. This is the climatic variation. Some courses are there in only undergraduate level. This is very essential to teach the postgraduate and PhD level. Just to see the situation, atmospheric situation of this Umiam region. Only one crop, single rice crop is there based on rainfall.
Kaway ka yeng hakashnong wa rinong, kabahab hapo ka Eastern West KHASI Hills District, kala ingkong henne ka stem, nakadaw chong kaching puluding hakapor arbachimen stem. Kani kaching puluding, kala jia hakayeng chong ikong shidalin marngar, hakapor ba kidang yot thiak lengay, harengkat bat kisaw ngut kikun, kat ba ukpa chong kani kalong yeng udang don hakajakatrey. Lasuba bakadaw chong kani kaching puluding, kala bandai na kaching thot kabording. Bat kejing julor kalakot kumba saulak tingka. Usodar chong kesnong wa rinong uba springlang wanyang ulayatu bayakani kejing cia ladep ban pentip syaka office ka mauthat rasyan CNRD block kaban sawan ban kemi benia ya kejing julor chong kate keying. Meghalaya Blind FC kalayot ra ya kanam ladu haka blind football tournament arajar arposau hadian ba kalala ban penliam no ya ka Rangdajit United FC dah riu ku lalai haka jing lek kai final kabala long henin kasngi Rangdajit United FC Stadium pentor ukra Shillong ya kani ke Lempung lapen long da ka State Resource Center for Persons with Disabilities SRCDA. Bat ka State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, harengkat ka jingas nok tilang, bat ka Bethany Society, bat Rangdajit United FC. Katong jong kani ka Lempung, kalong ban penpau ya kisap kipong, jong kinong ya lekai, kibadon jingduna haki department. Mentapat ngan pet ya kejing long jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba Shillong. Kajing kriat kalong pra 0.5 degrees Celsius, bat kajing shed kalong arpaway degrees Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong, hinyo pon riu na kashispa men step, bat saupo na kashispa janmin. Kala bandon kajing hap slap, bat kala bandon kajing dumlo kendo ba malumala hakikat tu kat ni kejaka. Shwaban poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor ngin ya pet biang sasisin ya kimat bakongsan. Syak penkup buram umudi daka kusnam bahek tam kakayana the Order of Excellence. Peli Menteri Rangbak Gajela ya ke Dry Hills Festival Hashilong. IT ke Nehu ya ke Kaipot International Committee Syakatanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Pedeng. Bat kutno ke Kela Basau ke Shillong Literary Festival. Step paralog katungila poi syaka bekut jong katuk kubo jengi menta ke janmit hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pi la syai kesengi kublai pi baro.
Sidelines of the second India CARICOM summit, India and Guyana signed 10 agreements to boost ties.